Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I will be providing complete details on various optimization techniques for regression testing. First of all, let us understand what is all about regression testing. So regression testing we normally do when we make any changes to the given application, that is the time. So we will be running the regression test cases one more time to see the existing functionality really works or not. So main goal here is to ensure there is no failure for these new changes. And the next goal is you should not see any side effects. You should not see any side effects due to the new implementation or modifying to the existing code. That is the main goal of the regression test cases. It is basically regression test optimization. If you can imagine, let's say, so you have a huge product or you have a huge application which we have developed for many years. Maybe release 1 we have 100 test cases, release 2 we have 200 test cases, release 3 we have 300, release 4 400 test cases, release 5 500 test cases. Now as we move on from one release to another, we are adding new test cases due to the adding of the new features plus any modification to the existing features. Now these regression test cases become a huge volume and it is not very easy to maintain, and we have a limited bandwidth of resources. Either it could be software or it could be hardware or it could be people, whatever, right? Here resources are very limited. Unless if we are not bringing any regression testing optimization techniques, definitely we cannot complete all our execution in a more optimized way. So let us understand what are the various test optimization techniques are there which we can adopt for this regression testing that would guarantee we cover enough test cases even with the limited resources. Either it could be people, hardware and software. The first technique for regression testing optimization is selecting the regression test cases for execution. Here we may follow various other methodologies as well. Let's say one is we are going to execute complete regression suite. So if we are going to choose this selection method, like where I'm going to execute all the test cases, now you can imagine if I'm going to execute all test cases, you require a lot of time because you have only limited resources, limited hardware, limited software, then you cannot execute everything. This kind of selection may not work in most of the cases. And the second method we can use, maybe I'm going to select randomly here and there based on analyzing the where the impact is. So based on that, I'll be doing some ad hoc testing. Again, in this method also, there are a lot of loopholes may be there because this method is not very much accurate. This is more of a gut feeling of a software tester who does the testing, because here we cannot guarantee whether whatever we have done the selection which is the right way of doing it, because it is completely done based on the tester experience or a developer experience. The third type of selection which we can make for regression test cases identification is based on the test data which we used for a given test case. Now if we identify those test data, only the test cases related to those test data only will be executed. Remaining, we won't be executing it. Maybe this is also another method which we can adopt. So I just talked about three methods. One is executing everything, or second is more of a doing a ad hoc basis, or third one is maybe based on the data which we have used for the test suite. Based on the test data, we will be identifying the set of test cases for the regression execution. First method, whatever the way we just talked about, selection method, which is still having lot of loopholes in it, we cannot guarantee we are going to do a right job here, because again it is completely depending on a particular tester or a particular developer who has done this exercise. Then we'll move on to the next optimization technique, which is based on the prioritization. So here we are going to do a prioritization every test cases. So we'll be making a test cases as priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. So we'll be assigning a priority for every test cases. This prioritization has been done by consulting with various stakeholders. It could be product owner or a developer or a tester or a business analyst. We have done this prioritization based on the consolidated view from across all the stakeholders. That guarantees, at least let's say if I'm going to execute only priority 1 test cases, at least all the critical one or all the core functionality will get covered as part of those priority 1 test cases. Or if I'm going to execute priority 1 and priority 2, then most of the test cases which will get covered, it will get covered as part of our overall execution. Similarly, if we have more time, we can go for P3 and P4 as well. Again, here we are completely doing optimization of regression test cases execution purely based on the way we prioritize the test cases, based on the effort, based on the complexity, based on the importance of the test cases, whether it is a critical test case or whether it is a core test case, and so on. And also we are going to consider how much time is involved in environment preparation and also how much time is required for the deployment as well. Just to summarize, with these two regression testing optimization techniques, we can reduce the overall effort which is required to execute the test cases. That is number one. Also, the second one is it also helps us to reduce the redundant test cases, because we have done a lot of prioritization in consultation with all the stakeholders. In that way, so we are removing all the redundant test cases as part of the regression testing execution. I hope you guys got complete information. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala, then do subscribe, then click on bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.